Yo, what's up?
Okay, so now and we decided to go shopping in one big supermarket.
Lotte Grocery, not paid endorsement for them, but this is the big market what you can buy the wholesale stuff just between Sanur and Kuta. So we will see how is it inside. By the way, check this Jeep over there, so cool. Yeah, some people here. The shops, normally markets are open, so it's no problem. So the situation in the shop is basically as usual as every single day, because shops are open, people have to buying stuff. Yeah, I don't know what we're actually buying today. Winnie bought some containers. Yo, what's up? And so many buckets here if you're interested to buy the home stuff. Here we go, cheap mango here, only 16k per kg. Really not so bad, fresh. And many stuff over here also. Also beautiful dragon fruit. Have you ever tried dragon fruit? Comment below. When I come to Bali for the first time, that was my favorite fruit. I was so amazed about them. Here is some frozen section. Quite rare in Bali actually, but yes, they have. And here, as you see, this is like a big wholesale shop. And you have so much stuff here, like drinks, water, noodle, if you're interested. Very good shop if you wanna buy some bulky or just even the detail also. Retail, not detail. And here is the most important section in the shop, which is biscuits. Where is Sayan? I don't know, so many biscuits. Oh honey, you took biscuit?
Yeah.
That's good. And that's how it looks, the shopping situation already here. Yeah, some customers. It's not so busy, but yeah, everything it's somehow normal. All right, we are now in Jimbaran in fish market area. Keduanan Beach actually, yeah. And life here is kind of busy, I could say. Even beaches also open here. I mean, it's not closed. So that's the good sign. We will have some fish today. We're gonna go in the market, traditional market, and we will see how it looks, the situation over here. Let's see. Yeah. And actually the sellers and everyone are here as usual, almost. Quite busy, I could say. Well, this is traditional market with fish, so that's good. We'll see what Winnie gonna buy today. Oh, the guy. Oh, he have a lot of water, that's why it was so hard for him to walk. I will slowly show you 360 degree how it looks, the situation. Beautiful sunset gonna be soon also. Okay, let's go to the market. We'll see how it looks inside. Fish. We will have some fish today, so I'm gonna choose something. Nice fishes everywhere. Some people even here, tourists. Nice fishes. And the lady gonna prepare the fish already. That's how it looks like. Fish market is almost as usual. And also here beautiful prawns. Very nice prawns. And any other seafood. Beautiful stuff. Here we go. This is the hot tuna guy. Hot tuna. There is the brand of hot tuna. And check this out. This very nice fishy. Mahi. Beautiful. And this is the fillet of tuna already. And also beautiful lobster here. Looks very good. And crabs. Many lovely stuff here for everyone who loves seafood. Alright, we got our fish. Red garupa 0.7 or 0.8 kg. Forgot to ask Winnie how much is it. I will tell you later. I'll put on the screen somewhere. And we're gonna find a place to grill it. Also some squid. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you how it looks area over here. So here is the entrance or exit from the market, depends, and there are so many warungs around. What you can grill your fish, eat your fish, stuff like this. Quite normal life in Jimbaran. This market is traditional market, very old already, so that's how it's look like. There are some people driving around. Very local life in Bali, much different than in Kuta actually. And the guy here preparing the fish for us. This is our garupa. Beautiful. And there is the grilling station. And Winnie got also for herself these beautiful prawns. And this strong guy gonna prepare them. Very good, very good. What's up? Don't be shy, my friend. All is good. Also, here is the guy who is grilling these beautiful goodies. So hot, by the way. Very nice, very nice. So nice. And I'm gonna show you also a little bit area over here. It's also very interesting, actually. This is also very local area of Jimbaran. So basically fisherman village, fisher village. Very local. Always good to showing local things in Bali. And here is some small wee street with also warungs. That's how it look like. Honey, how much you pay for the garupa? I forgot to ask you.
Well, the garupa cost me around 30k because that's a half kilogram.
Okay.
And then for the prawns, I just paid 15k because just only 0.25 grams kg.
All right.
Something like that.
Very nice. And this is like the trucks who are they bringing the fishes, the seafood from here, from this market to the shops, to the restaurants in the Denpasar or tourist destinations like in Kuta or somewhere. And there is the harbor here. Life looks like, is it? Very local life. Beautiful weather today. It's not even windy. Very nice. I know I'm saying too many times very nice, but it's very nice. I just like it, you know. And that's how it looks like. We're gonna see how it looks there. Fisherman boats.
Well, actually this place obviously open because there is the market there and then also fishermen. So yeah, they have to open.
Yeah, that's how it looks like. So many fisherman boats. Basically here is the situation a little bit different because this is the local people job. So basically they have to be on the beach, go to the boat and go to the ocean to catch the fish. They cannot like say no because I don't know, that will be like full island will have no fish.
Yeah, and also like they need to survive, right?
They need to survive.
Food. Yeah, so as you see like
And yeah,
it's open.
And I think to compare to the selling bintang on the beach or something, this is like local thing, very local. They have just to survive. I mean, I don't even know what to say, but this is part of the food, like a farming, right?
Yeah.
It's like planting rice, but on the ocean. That's what it looks like. Beautiful weather, by the way, really beautiful. And here we go, the fishermen's carry the small, very small boat actually. I could say it's very small, but you don't need to have a big boat. Also, everybody have a boat how they have. They are bigger ones, they are smaller ones. They are still kids playing over there, but there is the people selling the fishes over there or seafood and everything. That's how it looks. People still fishing here also. It's quite low tide and the beautiful sunset. Gonna be in just 10 minutes maybe. But in general it's quieter to compare to the previous times. I had to say definitely. I mean, I wanna see what they're gonna do over here. They're coming with the bamboo sticks, and they're gonna do something. Very interesting. All right, he's changing position of the boat. All right. Oh, this is the way how they're gonna transform the boat. Can you see that? I will zoom it. They attach like this. And they carry the boat like this. And over there you see the pasar ikan segar desa adat Kedonganan. This is
actually that pasar, the traditional market, only open in the morning, but in the afternoon that's the market actually that open.
So if you're interested how to find this place on the Google map, just type this one, and here we go. We are just waiting when they're gonna finish our grilling, and we're gonna take a takeaway. Obviously the times are, how is it? That's it. So I could say smacznego to you. Smacznego, salamat makan, bon appetit, and stuff like this. Unfortunately not showing how we eat. Alright guys, so that's how it looks our day today. Actually, we after work we start recording. We went to the market.
Just how our daily life. I think that's all our video today, guys. We were shopping and then we were buying the seafood. Yeah, I think that's all our video today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. Take care.